Today, we're going to show you how to properly load a bike on the ROLA Convoy, a truly innovative modular hitch mount bike carrier. Before loading a bike, be sure to follow the proper installation procedure as indicated in the instruction sheet. You may also view an installation video on the process with the following link. The ROLA Convoy allows a bike to be secured in two different ways, by the front wheel or the frame. This will need to be determined when assembling the ROLA Convoy bike carrier before loading any bikes. Once you have determined whether you're securing your bike by the front wheel or the bike's frame, and place the arm assembly, you are now ready to load a bike. To secure the bike by the wheel, make sure the arm assembly is in the unlocked position and the grip is at the top of the arm. To raise the grip upward, push on the trigger. Place the bike on the carrier. Support it with one hand and rotate the arm assembly over the front wheel as close to the fork as possible. Depending on wheel diameter, it is possible for the arm assembly to reach vertical and lock. However, it is not necessary for the arm to lock in the vertical position. Next, center the V of the hook over the wheel and pull down on the grip. To ensure your bike is secure, push down on the grip lever. After the bike is secure, align the rear wheel cradle with the rear axle on the bike. Rotate the wheel to ensure the strap will not interfere with the spokes. Slide the strap through the buckle and pull down to secure. If the strap is too short, use the longer strap included in the hardware kit. To secure your bike by the frame, rotate the arm assembly down and place the bike. Raise the arm assembly and pull downward on the grip. It is very important that the arm assembly locks in the vertical position. The hook needs to be as close to the top tube and seat tube intersection as possible. Position the rear cradle and strap and secure. For extra safety and security, the grip can be locked in position with the supplied key. If additional add-on units are installed, please be aware that each additional bike will need to be loaded in the opposite direction of each other. This will minimize the interference between your bikes when loaded. That wraps up the demonstration on how to properly load a bike on the ROLA Convoy modular bike carrier. If you'd like more information on the Convoy or other great products from ROLA, visit rolaproducts.com. ROLA, just add adventure.